Rotate the tires. Understanding a practical phrase in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very practical phrase in the English language: rotate the tires. This is a common expression, especially if you're dealing with cars or general vehicle maintenance. Let's explore what this phrase means and how it's used in everyday conversation. Rotate the tires refers to the practice of moving the tires of a vehicle from one position to another. This is done to ensure even tire wear. For example, the front tires may be moved to the rear, and the rear tires to the front. This helps in extending the life of the tires, ensuring better vehicle performance, and maintaining safety on the road. Why is it important to rotate tires? This process helps in achieving uniform wear across all tires. It's a key aspect of vehicle maintenance. Uneven tire wear can lead to poor handling, increased fuel consumption, and can even be a safety hazard. Therefore, understanding and performing this task is essential for any vehicle owner. The general recommendation is to rotate the tires every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. However, this can vary based on the vehicle type, tire type, and driving habits. It's always best to consult your vehicle's owner manual or a professional mechanic for the most accurate advice. Can you rotate the tires yourself? Absolutely! With the right tools, like a car jack and lug wrench, and basic knowledge, you can perform this task at home. However, if you're not confident, it's always safer to have it done by a professional. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, rotate the tires, and why it's an important part of vehicle maintenance. Remember, keeping your tires well maintained is not just about prolonging their life, but also about ensuring your safety on the road. Stay safe and happy driving.